Our top story now in the BJP, it seems, is preparing for an organizational rejig in Uttar Pradesh after the drubbing in the politically significant Lok Sabha elections and also coming ahead of key bypolls that will take place. Now, according to sources, the state BJP president, Bhupendra Chaudhary, offered to step down during a meeting that he had today with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Also, Home Minister Amit Shah met with the Prime Minister. Well, let's go across to Maria now, who's keeping a close watch on all these developments taking place. And earlier, Maria, also was the news of UP Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya meeting with JP Nadda.
Yes, that's right. And Bhupendra Chaudhary, who is the UP BJP chief, also met the BJP president, Mr. Nadda. And what sources are saying is that he has taken responsibility for the debacle of the party and he has offered to resign, is the indication that is coming in. But remember, this is an important state which goes to polls in assembly in 2027. So the BJP is trying to ensure that there is course correction. If there are internal differences in the state unit, that has to be sorted out. Whether there would be an immediate change, that may not be, Gargi, because that's not how the BJP under Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah has functioned in the last 10 years. Whenever there is speculation, they do not take any action. So certainly, if there is going to be an organization change, if Mr. Chaudhary is shown the door and he's replaced with an OBC face, that will happen only closer to perhaps the end of this year, when there'll be a larger change which takes place right at the top in the BJP organization. But having said that, there is a realization within the party that this kind of drubbing that they faced from the crucial state of Uttar Pradesh has to be addressed. That what went wrong? Was there the caste equations which were not looked at properly? Was it about ticket distribution, or was there a great degree of complacency in the state cadre? So that is, with all these issues being introspected upon, being looked into, is what the sense certainly is now within the party and right at the top. And that meeting which took place between Bhupendra Chaudhary and Prime Minister Modi, which lasted for an hour, becomes important. And soon after that, there was another meeting which happened between Home Minister Amit Shah and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Parallelly, in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath held a meeting with his ministers, and he, of course, discussed the upcoming 10 assembly bypolls which are scheduled. The BJP has set a target for itself that they should be winning all 10 of these, because that's very, very crucial for Yogi Adityanath in the state in particular. But having said that, the differences between Yogi Adityanath and Keshav Prasad Maurya is nothing new in UP politics or in Delhi politics. Their differences has played out in full public view since 2017 when Yogi Adityanath became the chief minister. But because of the sensitivities which is involved in this,
right,
the developments which are happening in Uttar Pradesh, that is the reason why there is great degree of caution on all the sides.